today we're going to be doing some facial cupping. So I am using a Glam cupping system. So right here I'm just showing you everything that came with it. So we got a nice little brush and some suction cups. Two different sizes, smaller for your under eyes and the larger one. I'm going to be using some hemp oil, and that's just me putting the oil on my face. You want to make sure that you have a good slip when you're doing the cupping, because if you do it on dry skin, you're going to end up causing hickeys. So you want to take your time and make sure you're well coordinated. This is the movements that you should be doing. You will want to go up and contour downwards. So you want to pull the skin up and keep it tight. And it's okay that if you hear a little sound. So here we go. Let's get into this cupping. So now I'm going to be taking the smaller cups to go under the eye. So we're going to work the under eye area. I like to do the cupping under the eye because it helps get rid of the heavy bags. So you're going to make sure that you don't let go, because you can cause hickeys and bruising, and the skin there is very thin. Also, you don't want to end up having one of the suction cups stuck to the face. So this is an exercise I like to do under my eyes every morning. Look at me getting things stuck. Oh my god. So now that we're going to be moving forward, finishing up, you see how nice my skin is looking? You can't tell me that my skin doesn't look awake and fresh. Look at that skin. Oh my god. So I don't like to keep oil in the face. So I'm just going to wash my face quickly. And after I wash and dry my face, I'm going to be spraying a hemp spray on the face. It's a facial mist to hydrate, you know. So yeah, that's it. And this is the outcome of the facial cupping. My skin looks awake and it's just very smooth and all around plump.